So for today's video, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. And we're going to start off using Creamsicle on a fluffy brush and blend it all through your crease as our transition shade. Next, we're going to be using the shade Pukey on a smaller blending brush and just blending that right over where we just put Creamsicle. We're going to be using the same brush that we used for Creamsicle just to blend those two together. Next, on a tapered brush, we're going to be using the color Hunt, and we're going to be putting that all over the lid and blending it a little bit up into the crease. Next, on a smaller brush, we're going to focus Jax on the outer corner of the eye, blending it really good with the other colors too. You don't want any harsh edges. I'm going to be going in with Creamsicle again just to blend everything together and smooth out that top line in the transition. And I'm just going to darken up the outer crease just a little bit more with using Jax. Just blending that out again. Next, I'm going to be spraying a flat brush with the Tatcha Luminous Skin Mist, and we're going to be using the shade Queen on about 2/3 of the eyelid. Next, for our face, we're going to start off using a primer. This is by Hard Candy. And we're going to use the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. I'm going to be dotting that all over my face. I'm using the shade Nude Beige today. And I'm just going to go in with a damp beauty blender to blend that into the skin. Next, I'm going to use the Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm going to be putting that underneath my eyes, on my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin, just to highlight some points on my face. Make sure when you're blending with a beauty blender to be patting and not smudging it across the face. I'm just going to set my face using the Airspun powder. I'm going to do a light bake under my eyes, and we'll be wiping it off later. Next, we're going to be doing just a light contouring just to bronze up the face using the Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm going to be wiping away that extra translucent powder under my eyes. Next, we're going to go back under the eye with Creamsicle. And on top of that, in the outer corners, we're going to put Jax again, just to blend everything up with the top. I'm going to blend that, and then we're going to go in with Queen on the inner parts of the under part of our eye. And then I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone within Light, and I'm also going to be putting this in my inner corner. Next, we're going to be using the Becca Split palette in Champagne Pop and Flower Child. I'm using Flower Child as the blush, putting it right on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to be going in using the Champagne Pop as our highlighter. On top of that, for a little extra glow, we're going to be using the NYX Illuminator in Ritualistic. And then I'm going to be lining my lips with lip liner. This is by NYX and it's in Nude Beige. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Nude Balm Nourishing Nude. And I've already put on mascara and curled my eyelashes as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.